In this video, we'll go over the Dateadd Dax function. It returns a table containing the columns of dates shifted either forward or backward in time by a specified number of intervals from the dates in the current context. So that's very important, current context. So whatever data set you're using, it's only going to use those data sets range. So let's create a new table. And we're going to use Dateadd and our order date. And for now, we'll put 1, and we will use day. So we'll add in a table, and we'll just add order date. And so let's try changing our function from 1 to 10, see what happens. And now we're back into our actual, so this is the actual date range for my data set. And I put in 10 days, so it moved it to the 22nd. Let's just go back and look how it was before. It was the 13th. And so it's moving through the range within my data set. And now let's try from the end. So our last date is June 30th. And I'm just going to put a -1 here. And you see it took off the 30th, and now we're at the 29th. And we'll just do 10 days. And we're at the 20th. So let's do the same thing, but for a different interval. And this would work better with a bigger data set, but you can still see what it does. So for month, we're going to go back 1 month. So our end of our data set is June. And now we're pushed back to May. Again, if we added 1 more month, it'll push back to the end of April. Now we're at the beginning again, and we'll go 2 back, 2 from the front, and it puts us at the beginning of January. So that's how you use Dateadd. You have your data sets interval, and you have the number of intervals you want to move forward or backward, and then your intervals, which would be months, day, month, quarter, and year. And that's it.